Want to learn a quick hack of how to increase your lead conversion process by using ChatGPT? Get ready. Lead conversion is key to any successful real estate business. Actually, lead conversion is a key priority of every single successful real estate business. It helps you achieve the number one priority as an agent, which you guys have heard me say time and time again, is to get in the pathway of a motivated buyer or seller every single day. You can't do that without lead conversion. Being successful at lead conversion requires a strategy. And part of that strategy should include email marketing. Blogs play right along into email marketing. And if you think about this, you can have the drip emails go out and you can easily set them up as part of any CRM that you're a member of. But blogs can play a really important part in that. And you can actually use ChatGPT to create the blogs. I remember for years, I didn't have any type of blog posting for consumers. It just wasn't the way I communicated. I was much better just getting in front of a camera and shooting a video. But I now understand, people all take in information and content in different ways. Like you're watching this video, obviously for you, it's video, but some people like to read, some people like to listen. Email marketing should include blogs, and you should just use ChatGPT to write those blogs like I do. Here's a prompt you can use. Could you help me by writing 12 engaging blog posts that combine real estate insight, information about my local community, and are tailored to the current time of year? And by doing that, it's gonna create for you 12 engaging posts. And you can post one a week for 12 weeks. So you get a whole 90 days worth of content. And then you can ask ChatGPT to go one step further and write emails to your database and tie in the link back to your blog post. And you're done. In less than 5 minutes, you've created 90 days worth of blog content and email marketing to go out to your database. This is going to play an essential part in your lead conversion strategy, making lead conversion easier than ever for you as a real estate agent. Remember, having blog posts, having email marketing, all part of your strategy to increase lead conversion is key, and it helps you achieve that number one priority. Do you want to learn how to actually grow your business, grow your lead generation and lead conversion side of your business easy? Join my free group. It's called Grow or Die. It's on Facebook. You can actually join it by clicking the link in the description, but it's designed to help agents grow their business through lead generation, lead conversion, and tactics, just like we're talking about here, to make your life more efficient and be more productive as a real estate agent. So don't forget, subscribe to my channel, join our free group, and I'll see you on the other side.